Well, happy Saturday, everybody. It's John at Mountain West Autos here in Twin Falls. Hope you're having a really good day today. Hey, I've got a really nice 2011 Ram 1500 Sport to show you today. As you can see, it's got the nice 20-inch Ram rims. It's got the nice fascia in the front there, the nice crosshair grille. World famous 5.7 Hemi, famous for its hemispherical head, super clean under there. Pull back. As you can see, this is a good looking truck. I got tires on order for this. It should be here like Tuesday or Wednesday. Good looking Ram rims. Super clean in here. I like that they have the dual glove boxes. It's got the console, power sliding rear window back there. There's your control, AM, FM, CD player. It's also a 60 gigabyte hard drive, so you can download like 3,600 songs or something like that, some ridiculous amount. It's got the 110 power inverter. There's your four-wheel drive shifter. Super clean in here. And then here in the back, you've got your in-floor storage bins here, which the carpet covers that up nicely. You got storage under there. And that seat will go down. Okay, let's pull back on this and you can see just what a good looking truck this is. Super straight, super clean. It's got the dual tip exhaust there. There's the power sliding rear window. Sharp looking truck. And on this side here, you've got the in-floor storage bins. Storage under the seat there. That seat will go down and it is so clean in here. Cup holders for the people in back. And there you see you got air and heat that'll blow out there, and you've also got heat that'll blow out down there, so you're not freezing or cold to death back here. There's your power seat, power lumbar, power windows, power door locks, built-in trailer control, 115,295 miles. There's your shifter. All right, let's close this door and we'll pull back on this. This is such a nice looking truck. Wow. And it does have the navigation. It's got the Bluetooth and the voice command for hands-free communication. All right, let's start this bad boy up for you. 115,000 miles is all. See, there's your infotainment center. There's your navigation. Like I said, you can download songs onto this hard drive, so you open that up, close that, you put your CD in there, then you close it, go to My Files, My Music, add music to the hard drive, and you can download that CD you just put in there. Blowing cold here right now. Nice truck. Let's turn this off. Well, there's my Ram. It's such a nice truck. Call me, text me, email me. Please, let's get together on this. And once again, this video is brought to you by Mountain West Autos here in beautiful downtown Twin Falls, where you can always get an excellent vehicle at an excellent price. And speaking of excellent, everybody, let's just be excellent to each other, all right? Let's have a great Saturday, and thank you so much for watching.